Welcome to Earth's RX Foods, where we share science-backed ways to heal, fuel, and protect your body using real food. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any medical condition. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or lifestyle. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries, but today it's often misunderstood. Some people swear by it. Others try it once and quit. The difference usually isn't the vinegar. It's how, when, and why it's used. In this video, we'll break down the science-backed benefits of apple cider vinegar, the best type to use, and how to use it properly for metabolic and digestive health. 1. Supports blood sugar control. Apple cider vinegar helps reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. It works by slowing gastric emptying and improving insulin sensitivity, especially when taken before carbohydrate-rich meals. More stable blood sugar means fewer crashes, cravings, and energy dips. 2. Enhances satiety and appetite control. Apple cider vinegar increases feelings of fullness. By slowing digestion and improving blood sugar response, it helps regulate appetite and reduce overeating throughout the day. This makes it a useful tool for long-term weight management. 3. Supports GLP-1 and satiety hormone signaling indirectly. Apple cider vinegar doesn't increase GLP-1 directly, but it enhances its effectiveness. By stabilizing blood sugar and slowing digestion, it improves the gut-to-brain signals that tell your body you're full. 4. Improves insulin sensitivity. Better insulin sensitivity means your body stores less fat and uses energy more efficiently. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to improve insulin response, particularly when used consistently before meals. 5. Supports gut health and digestion. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which supports healthy stomach acidity. This helps improve digestion, mineral absorption, and overall gut comfort, especially in people with low stomach acid. Unfiltered apple cider vinegar also contains beneficial compounds from fermentation. 6. May support weight management. Apple cider vinegar is not a fat burner, but by improving appetite control, insulin sensitivity, and blood sugar balance, it supports the conditions that make weight management easier over time. 7. Supports heart health. Regular use of apple cider vinegar may help improve cholesterol markers and support healthy blood pressure. These effects are modest but meaningful when combined with a whole food diet. 8. Helps reduce bloating and digestive discomfort. Many people experience less bloating and heaviness after meals when apple cider vinegar is used correctly. This is especially noticeable after larger or higher carb meals. 9. Mild antimicrobial properties. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial effects that may help reduce harmful bacteria in the digestive tract. This contributes to overall gut balance. 10. Low-cost, low-risk metabolic support tool. Apple cider vinegar is inexpensive, accessible, and supported by human research. When used properly, it's a simple daily habit that can support metabolic health over time. What type of apple cider vinegar to use? For best results, choose apple cider vinegar that is raw, unfiltered, with the mother wording on the label and organic if possible. Avoid apple cider vinegar drinks with added sugar or gummies, which often provide little benefit. How to use apple cider vinegar. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons and dilute it in 8 to 12 ounces of water. Never drink it straight. Optional additions include cinnamon or lemon for taste and additional benefits. When to use apple cider vinegar. The best time to take apple cider vinegar is 10 to 20 minutes before meals, especially larger or carb-heavy meals. You can also use it once daily before your largest meal. Who should be cautious? Apple cider vinegar may not be appropriate for everyone. People with acid reflux, ulcers, low potassium, or those on certain medications should consult a healthcare professional before using it regularly. Always protect your teeth by diluting it properly. Important perspective. Apple cider vinegar supports health, but it's not a cure-all. Its benefits are most effective when combined with a whole food diet, proper sleep, and consistent lifestyle habits. If this video helped you understand apple cider vinegar as more than just a wellness trend, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone focused on metabolic and digestive health. Your health is your greatest asset. Fuel it wisely.